This year alone, AI has replaced thousands of office jobs. Writers, designers, admin assistants, even software engineers, all gone. Replaced by a machine that never eats, never sleeps, and works for free. But there's one thing that AI still can't do, and probably never will. It can't do this, it can't do this, and it can't do this. So are you building something that AI can't replace? Because if you're still trying to play it safe in a dying system, you're already behind. Real quick, if you're new here, my name is Aaron, and I help people start and grow real businesses that AI can't replace. I started as a car detailer, built multiple detailing businesses, and now I help people turn service-based skills like detailing into six-figure businesses that give them freedom. So if you're someone who's sick of chasing trends, sick of working for someone else, or just wants to build something solid, this video is for you. Let's be real. What used to be a safe job just aren't safe anymore. A few years ago, people were paying $80,000 salaries to copywriters, graphic designers, coders, admin assistants. Now, $20 a month gets you a chatbot that works faster, doesn't complain, and never takes a sick day. Companies aren't dumb. They're replacing people fast. And it's not just junior roles, right? It's experienced professionals. Law firms are using AI to write contracts. Agencies are using AI to run ads and write emails. Startups are using AI instead of hiring full-time staff. If your job can be done on a laptop, AI can probably do it better and cheaper and faster. That's the reality. I'm not saying this to scare you. I'm saying it to wake you up, because the people who are still chasing safe jobs in corporate towers are playing a game that's already changed. Now, here's the flip side. While AI is wiping out office jobs left and right, there's one thing it still can't do. It can't clean a car, it can't fix a roof, it can't cut hair, and it can't lay concrete, paint a house, or polish metal by hand, and it definitely can't shake a customer's hand and say, "Your car's ready, have a great day." The more the world goes digital, the more real-world skills go up in value. Because the truth is, we live in a physical world. People want clean cars, they want nice homes, they want things repaired, cleaned, maintained, and protected. And no matter how advanced AI gets, someone still needs to show up and do the work. The stuff that most people don't want to do. That's where most of the money is right now. Now look, I'm not here to bash AI. There's a huge opportunity in the AI space right now. New tools, new businesses, new creators popping up every day. But here's the catch. Tech is evolving so fast that AI is literally replacing AI. One day it's ChatGPT, the next it's Claude, then Gemini, then something else. You can build a whole business around a tool, right? And then that tool becomes outdated a few months later. So there's no stability in that. But you know what is stable? A local service-based business that solves a real problem, right? Because no matter how fast technology moves, your car still gets dirty, your roof still leaks, your dog still needs grooming, and people will pay to have that problem solved. That's why service-based businesses are becoming the new gold rush. And the best part? There's way less competition because everyone's chasing trendy tech, while the guy cleaning gutters is quietly making six figures. Or the detailer charging $1,000 for a ceramic coating, 2 of those a week, that's a six-figure business. No office, no degree, no AI required. Let's talk about why so many people are stuck chasing the wrong path. Because most of us were taught the same thing growing up. Do well in school, go to university, get a safe job in an office, climb the ladder, retire at 60. We were sold that dream. But here's the truth no one told us. That system was built for a world that doesn't exist anymore. Back then, sure, you get a degree, you get a job, you buy a house, you're set. But now, you go $60,000 in debt for a job that gets replaced by software in 3 years. Meanwhile, the kid who learned how to clean cars properly is booked out weeks in advance, making more money than the guy in a suit with 2 degrees. And here's what's crazy. That same kid was probably told he was wasting his potential because he didn't go to university. But who's really winning? The one chasing safety in a broken system, or the one who built something real? So what should you do instead? Simple. Learn a skill that AI can't replace and build a business around it. I'm talking about real hands-on skills. Things like car detailing, house washing, mobile dog grooming, landscaping, pressure cleaning, painting, the stuff that actually solves a physical problem. Blue-collar jobs. Because when you combine a skill with a basic understanding of how to market yourself, you can become unstoppable. And you don't need a massive budget to start. Here's how you can do it. Step 1, pick one skill, right? Just one, not 5. Start with something simple that people need. Step 2, offer it to the people you know first. Friends, family, neighbors. Just get your first few jobs under your belt. Step 3, take some photos, post your results, set up your online socials, get a Google business profile, look legit. Step 4, reinvest the profits. Buy better gear, get branded shirts, learn how to run ads, build systems. That's how you go from side hustle to a 6-figure business without needing a fancy degree or an investor. The best part, every job you do builds trust, reputation, and momentum. While the office job people are hoping AI doesn't take them out, you're building something that AI just can't replace, right? It can't touch these jobs. Quick shout out to today's sponsor, Jobber. Now, if you're just starting out as a service-based business like detailing, landscaping, pressure washing, you need systems to stay organized, get paid, and look like a pro. Jobber helps you schedule jobs, send invoices, take deposits, keep everything in one place, right from your phone, right? It's super easy. We love it. And honestly, makes you look 10 times more legit to your clients. So there's a link below for a free trial. Go check that out. Now, you might be thinking, yeah, but what about robots? Well, sure, maybe one day we'll have robots that can actually clean cars, mow lawns, fix pipes. But even if that happens, it doesn't mean the service disappears. People still want their car detailed. They still need their driveway cleaned. The demand doesn't go away. The delivery just changes. And honestly, if someone offered me a $30,000 robot that could detail cars 24/7 while I sit back and grow the business, sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Because at that point, you're still the business owner. You still own the brand, the customer base, the systems. You're not the one getting replaced. You're the one in control. So even in that future, the opportunity's still there. You have to own the business and not just work inside of it. Here's the part most people don't want to think about. What happens if you don't do anything? If you stay in the same job, hoping AI doesn't replace you, hoping the company doesn't downsize, hoping that somehow things go back to normal. Let me ask you this. So what's more risky? Starting a small business that solves a real problem, or sitting in a job that could vanish next week because of an update you'll never see coming? Doing nothing feels safe, but it's not. Waiting is a gamble. You're gambling your income, your time, and your future on a system that's changing faster than ever. Meanwhile, the people who just started, right, with a basic skill and a phone, stacking some serious cash, building brands and becoming their own boss. They're not better than you, they just made a move while others waited. Now look, we're at a turning point right now. AI will replace more jobs. Tech will keep evolving, but you don't have to get left behind. You just need to make one decision. Do you want to be the person chasing safety in a system that's collapsing, or the person building something real, something AI can't touch? Because the people who win in the next 5 years won't be the ones with the most followers or the fanciest degrees. They'll be the ones who picked a skill, solved a real problem, and built a business around it. So if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Start something simple, start something real, start something that lasts, because AI can replace your job, but it can't replace you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.